Hey, beautiful family. I hope you are doing great. Thank you for clicking my video. In today's video, I have a wig show and tell from CurlyMe Hair. And do you see this packaging? To me, it's saying, Google us, baby. The wig came neatly stored in this box, and the wig came packaged in that clear, long plastic baggie. First, I would like to show you guys what came inside the box. In this CurlyMe Hair Kit envelope, it came with some replacement combs and an adjustable elastic band. That was nice of them, so if I lost any of the clips or elastic band, this will definitely come in handy. Thank you. They sent this pamphlet with information on what a M-cap is and how a M-cap wig is constructed. Yep, there's more. I got this CurlyMe Hair silk baggie. There are 2 HD wig caps and 2 deluxe wig caps. There's a pair of cute eyelashes, a edge brush / comb and glue applicator, and a CurlyMe edge band. There's also another pamphlet that comes with some hair care tips for your wig and how you can earn rewards with them on social media. And there's some more information explaining how to wear the M-cap glueless. The wig came neatly packaged, and when I took the wig out the packaging, it had no foul odor. Right here is a close-up of the inside cap construction. This wig comes with a 9x6 lace parting space. In the front of the cap, there are 2 combs with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. What's dope about the M-cap wigs is if you're not a fan of the combs on the inside of the wig, you can remove them and insert them back when you're ready. And that goes for all the combs that's on the inside, not just the nape area. They inserted a removable adjustable elastic band, and the words on the band is made with silicone, so that's good. So your wig will have a nice grip on your head. And by the ear tabs, it comes in a C shape, so the material can lay comfortably by your ears. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. The hair texture is a Yaki texture. This is a pre-everything wig, so the hairline comes pre-plucked, the lace comes pre-cut, and the knots on the wig are small and they are pre-bleached as well. Hey there, beautiful. So now it is time for the wig install. Off camera, I went in with my flat iron and I ran it through the hair. The hair straightened beautifully. It wasn't hard to straighten at all. It took to the heat very well. And look at that flat parting space and hairline. That hairline is professionally done. They did a great job plucking the hairline. So I'm going to take some Maybelline Fit Me powder and apply some of this powder underneath the lace. But when I apply it underneath the lace, I'm only going to apply it to the spots that I'll be showing. So that is the parting space and hairline. I like to use makeup powder as a lace tint sometimes. After I apply the powder underneath the lace, I am going to wear a brown stocking cap underneath. More like a light brown stocking cap, actually. When I put the wig on, I make sure the elastic band is laying nice and comfortable in my nape area, and then I adjust the wig where I would like it. There's some extra lace in the front of the hairline and I would like to cut some of that lace off. So I'm going to use my pink shears. And at first I was going to try to cut it while it's on my head, but I was like, girl, don't even play yourself. So I took the wig off and I placed it in my hand and I took my time and cut off some of that extra lace in the front. I combed the hairline with the edge brush comb just to make sure there's no hair stuck underneath the lace. And I noticed the lace is still coming off a little too light on my skin. So I'm going to try out this lace tint that I got from Hair So Fly shop. And it's my first time using this. So I pump a small amount of this onto a paper towel. Then I'm going to take my edge brush and brush the product into the hairline of the lace. The edge band that came in the box, I'm going to put this on the hairline of the wig, and I left it on for about 6 minutes. So I noticed that the lace tint foam is just a little darker than my skin, but I could still get away with it. And just to show y'all, I kept it glueless because we're trying to keep this beginner friendly. Next, I'm using LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm applying this to the parting space. So this can help the parting space pop up a little bit more like scalp, and also help hide my wig cap underneath. Altogether, this was the amount of shedding I got, and to me, that shedding is on the low side. What? You heard me, low side. And right here is my end results. All right, so on the website, this is CurlyMe pre-cut 9x6 lace M cap, wear go glueless mini knots, kinky straight / light Yaki straight hair, HD lace front wig, pre-plucked. I know that's a long name. Whew. I have this wig in the length of 24 inches. The lace on this wig is HD lace, and the hair texture is a Yaki straight. If you like this wig and you don't want to try the HD lace out, you can always try the transparent lace option. But this is what the hairline looks like for anybody that's interested. I like HD lace because I feel like it helps you wear your wig more glueless, so the lace doesn't look so harsh on your skin. Sometimes with transparent lace, you have to go in with glue, you have to go in with spray and melt it, so your lace isn't so clockable. I have this wig again in the length 24 inches, but this wig is available in the lengths from 18 to 32 inches. And they also offer a bob length from 8 inches to a 16-inch bob. The hair is beautiful. I don't have any product on the hair. The shine is nice. I didn't get any tangling. And as for shedding is on the low side. I'm not sure what the hair density is, but to me, if I had to guess, it feels like 180%. So that's like 3 bundles with a big closure, in my opinion. And I love how flat the wig is on my head. No lumps, no bumps, no humps. And even on the side profile, it's just nice and flat. It just looked like I got a nice flat install. I do believe this wig only come in one size only. My head circumference is 22 inches and it has a nice snug fit on there, not too snug where I would get a headache. And if you have a larger head, I would say like 23 inches, I do feel like you are in for the clear. I have stretch cap room material left in there, but if you have like a 24-inch, I'm not too sure. Definitely check out other wig reviews just in case. And if you have a small head, you already know, adjust that elastic band because it will be your best friend to making sure you have a nice snug fit. And y'all, this hair is gorgeous. I know I always say this a lot, but Yaki hair textures is one of my favorite textures. Like, it doesn't have a lot of flyaways compared to super silky hair, and it just looks so beautiful in the natural sunlight. I love how deep the parting space is. I love it, love it, love it. The deeper the parting space, the more natural a wig looks. And you could part this wig in the right, middle, or left. It's a deep parting space, so you have some options. You can even add some braids if you would like. So glueless, baby. That's the goal. And I know if I was to add some spray, it would melt the lace away. But I need a good glueless wig, and this is perfect for every day. So, like always, thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Be safe out there. Later, you guys.